If the geoid that you want to use for your data collection is too large, you can define a subsection of the area or subgrade it to use before uploading to the field device. Saves time in the upload and the field device memory. So to do this in Business Center, using the field data edition, you can go to the survey tab, and over to the right you got your network. You can click on geoid subgrading. You'll see the path or the folder where the geoids are stored in your system, and you can find the one that you want to use. So let's say that I'm using this geoid 12B for the US, for the continental US. That's the entire US. So you'll see here when I click on create subgrade, it's going to give me a globe. So what I can do now is I can zoom in to the globe and I can pan over to what I want to use. So if I happen to be working, let's say in Virginia, then I can come over here and work in this area of Virginia. I can even zoom in and make it tighter or smaller, and I can put in a suffix and it will rename the geoid, and then all I have to do is click save and then save it. You can see it's going to save it to the program data Trimble geodata folder. So I'll get this new geoid that'll be saved to the subgrid of this geoid.